Yeah, boy. Hey guys, Dave, Fish Eat Repeat here. Pretty bloody excited to be honest. Day's a day. Going out with Enchanter. Hopefully I'll catch my first southern bluefin tuna. We're going for big puka, big kingies. We're heading out to the Ranfurley Banks, arguably even the world's top fishing meccas. You have about a 200 meter depth, drops right off to 1,000 meters, an underwater jungle, should we say. Should be some massive fish. Touch wood anyway. Just going to go through the things I'll pack because in this case it's all gear supplied. Yes, all I need to take is just warm weather gear. The forecast is looking actually mint. Should be hopefully not too much wind, maybe 10 to 30 knots max. Just got one little telescopic setup there just in case there's some squid that come under the boat. I've obviously got a couple of squid jigs and a few little lures in there. Obviously most important, GoPro gear. I have my headlamp, got a backup headlamp, a silver GoPro 7 which I'll use for the underwater shots, which will be attached to that 1 meter long extension pole there. And it's already got the floaty on it, I won't lose it. Backup journal battery, 2 batteries in here, my chest mount, my head mount. I've got an extra light for night shooting, got an attachment for the boat, and obviously the GoPro Hero Black that I'm filming off now. That's all the electronics. Budget sleeping bag from Kmart. And I've got this bag, rod and reel. And what I do is just different bags, small, so gloves, hats, etc. Got these 300 jackets. Most importantly, upholstery beers, Korean samjang there, spicy soybean paste, unbelievably good. Andrew, who organised the whole trip, he's going to bring some meat for some Korean barbecues. That's going to be absolutely loose. Chogochujang. Just some snack, and obviously we have soju there as well, and you have soju and beer. You have Somax, going to go down beautifully. Boots, these are just John Bulls. It's everything I'm taking. This should hopefully be a fishing trip of a lifetime. I'm absolutely fizzing. A couple hours till we leave, and then it's all on. You. My old fucking town. Imagine, right? Center of fucking nowhere. Whakatane.
In 200 meters, turn left onto the strand.
You made it. It's one of these Enchanter vessels here. Look at these fucking beauties.
We made it, bro. We made it. Fuck,
the tire's like bald as at the front. We're just waiting for the tide. It's ridiculously low at the moment, as you can see down there. So once skipper reckons about an hour or so, we're heading on our way to overnighter on driving out. Hopefully we're into to fish in the morning. You.
As you know, weather forecast is pretty good, so you don't have to worry about that too much. Weather forecast is real good. We've got about a 5 or 6 hour steam tonight, so we'll get on the road. So what's the plan? Like tomorrow, we'll pretty much just focus on bluefin tomorrow. Play it by ear as we go, like depends what you guys want to do and how we go with the fishing and stuff, obviously.
Check that out. Look at that food. Oh, yes.
I'll be the cook tonight, boys.
Samjang there.
pork isn't actually vegetarian. At least you feed them with meat.
Join it, bro. Yeah, bro. I'll be a GC, eh? Like it. Enjoy. You got your new chopsticks, bro. Woo! Yum! Grass for like sweetness. What do you make it here, Chinwoo? Oh, sorghum jam? Sorghum jam. No, that's sorghum, right? Salt. Sesame oil. He's in to finish it. 10:30 p.m. Skipper and the decky are up top. Getting up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. Start fishing.